Let's add some query operations on this app, such as I want to see the category 0, to-dos only, and the like. So for this drawer menu, let's change those ones to see cat 0, tasks only, cat 1s, and the like. So those ones are defined in the menu, activity user home drawer menus there. So let me use the text mode directly. That the first one, camera, is called importer. So let's call it as cat 0, which is work to do's. Then ID cat 0 there. For this icon, you could choose a better one. Let me skip that part to save time. And then second one, cat1 as ID, and then text title is cat1 home, like that. So in user home activity, if you find a function named on navigation item selected, that's the event handler part. So cat 0 and then cat 1 there. So here what we want to do is, as cat 0 or 1 is clicked, so we want to see cat 0 tasks or to-dos only. So we have defined load to-do list there. So let's copy this code and then revise according to our needs. So let me paste it down here, and then let's name it as load to-do list by category. And in addition to user email, let's get the category as well. Then everything else the same, but you can give a query between get and then collection reference that you can give some simple queries there. So let's give a break there. So we can give where close equal to, first one is field name is category in the database cat, and then the give value matching ones. Then the what you get is after this query test, you will get only provided cat 1 will be there. Then the rest will remain the same, something like that. Then on this, you can call load to-do list by cat. First, let's get user email. That is db mauth current user email there. If user email is not null, then load to do by cat user email and cat 0. So we can do exactly the same way for cat 1. Now we can see simply give 1 as a value. Now let's test the program. So at this moment, in H Sung's account, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 documents there. It's being built. login. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, there's edit mode, cancel, drawer, cat 0 work. Now I have cat 0, 0, 0, 0 only, cat 1 only. Here, let me test the one thing, and then it could be your design choice low. So let's add a to do at this moment. Title 12, contents, and then cat 2, and then add. Then what you get is onto the result of a cat 1, now new one is added. So is this reasonable or acceptable? You can use this way, or if it's confusing. So if you add one, just you want to add to the entire list, then you need to revise the program a little bit, such a way that at this moment, as we add or edit the on activity result, what we did so far is the to-do list is currently holding the screen result. So we just updated the screen result only, not to download from the database again to save time. Because of that, out of the current screen result we just added, of course, the data is added onto the database as well. So when you add a new one, if you wanted to display whole thing again, we should do something like this. Instead of simply modifying the to-do list, so we could do re-download from the database. So comment this out. Then what you could do is load to do by list and then provide user email there. So usual email is already computed up there, and then notify the adapter that's changed. We need to do similarly for edit part. So when we receive for delete or update, so instead of removing from the screen list, we need to load to do by list. So load the database again. On update, do similarly. So not just to change the screen result, but re-download from the database again. So let's test. Before I test, let's change you another thing on my to-do class. The ID is for a unique key for database handling purpose, but displaying it, showing it to the user may not be appropriate, but it's good for developers though. So from now on, let's just hide the document ID part. Of course, as I mentioned before, using the recycler view with a custom entry for each to-do will be better designed though. So let's sign in. Cat 1 only. Now let's add title X. Cat 2 add. Now we re-download everything. So from there, cancel editing. Now do cat 1 again, then it's there. So here you have a design choice, whichever is more reasonable or persuading to your users, then you can make a decision that way.